All right, guys, next up, doing another 2019 Pieces of the Past Historical Edition. This is a fun one, last name letter break. A lot of historical American relics and things like that. So you get one relic card per box. You can find some cut autos, and then you can find redemptions for baseball memorabilia as well. So, David, you've got last name letter D. Jason G with A, B, G, and IOU. Josh, you've got last name Y. Lee's got M as in Mary. Mike S, you've got K, L, N, P, R, S, T, V, and W. Mitch, you've got C, E, F, H, and J. And then Sean, you've got last name Z. So it's encyclopedia rules. If it's a person, it's obviously their last name. If it's a place, an event, something like that, it'll be how you would find it in an encyclopedia. So, like Civil War would be C. All right, first up we got a one of one. One of one World Idols. It's going to be a newspaper relic with Charlie Chaplin. So it is a Charlie Chaplin newspaper relic, 1931. So that's going to be C, which will be Mitch. And then we got a second one in here. Another one of one. This time it's going to be, looks like an FDR. It's the Bar Notables. One of one right there. That's an FDR stamp. 1933 U.S. President stamp and vintage postcard. So that is going to be an FDR, which will be R. And that'll be going to Mike S. All right, so 2 one of ones out of there. We'll get those cards in the mail tomorrow. And appreciate you guys joining us for this one.